Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. We are studying Reading General Knowledge Grade 3, Chapter number 9, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We have discussed all the things regarding Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Let's move towards the exercise of the chapter. Exercise chapter number 9, page number 54. Answer the following questions. Why Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh Muhammad Ali Jinnah is called the founder of Pakistan? And the answer is due to his contributions for a separate homeland for Muslims, he is known as the founder of Pakistan. When was Pakistan resolution passed? 23rd March 1940. Where did he get his early education from? He get his early education from Sindh Madrasatul Islam. Why did he leave the Indian National Congress? Because they were not loyal to Muslims, that is why he left the Indian National Congress. What title was given to him by the people and why? Due to his immense struggle and his unique contributions for the cause, he was given the title Father of Nation. Question number 2 is tick the correct sentence and cross the wrong one. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was born in Lahore, cross. First Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League, cross. Quaid-e-Azam was a supporter of Hindu-Muslim unity, tick. Quaid-e-Azam is also called Father of Nation, tick. Hindus were fair with the Muslims, cross. Question number 3, circle the correct option. Quaid-e-Azam was born on dash 1876, 25th December, A is the right answer. Quaid-e-Azam went to dash for higher education. Option number B, England is the right answer. Quaid-e-Azam became the dash Governor General of Pakistan. A, first is the right answer. Pakistan resolution was passed on A, 23rd March 1940 is the right answer. Moving towards the page number 55. Give the following information about Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Name. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Date of birth 25th December 1876. Place of birth Karachi. Profession. Most outstanding achievement. He passed law examination in 1896. Titles: Father of Nation, Governor General. Date of death 11 September 1948. Tomb Karachi. Mention 3 guiding principles of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. These are unity, faith, discipline. This is all about chapter number 9. Thank you. Keep watching. अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा हमारी बोलती किताबों के साथ.